Our first visit to IKEA. We traveled from Andheri to Navi Mumbai, IKEA, which is around 26 kilometers with no traffic, in 1 hour 10 minutes. We had to register before coming, and they gave time slots which we need to choose and go at that time to avoid overcrowding during pandemic. They check temperature and have provided hand sanitizers wherever necessary. IKEA has different showrooms like bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens and kids rooms to show how it will look when their products are put together in a room. Their prices are also displayed. We cannot buy the pieces which are put for display. In between, they have kept bins which has products for sale, so that if interested, we can take their products from there. Or else, we will have to keep walking till we reach the place where products are kept for us to pick up. Overall, our experience was good. The quality of most of the products is good. Most of the furniture here has to be self-assembled with lightweight engineered wood. Most of the products you have to pick it up yourself from the stock room. You get different types of lights, sensor lights for cabinets, chandeliers, lights for kids' room. There are different kinds of storage solutions to match your needs. Utensils for day-to-day cooking, baby cots and mattresses, bed sheets, baby bottles, cups, plates, safety knobs. For kids, there are beds, mattresses, study tables and chairs, toys, toy storages and sleeping lights are available. They have variety of sofas, armchairs, beds, wardrobes, tables and desks, bookshelves, book stoppers, drawer units, cupboards, outdoor furnitures, room dividers, curtains, shower curtains are available. Food was good enough to keep us happy through shopping. Food made with fresh ingredients, economical and dining space was pleasant. They have limited options, which is good as we can choose quickly. Bags, shoe racks, flower pots, plants, both real and artificial, are worth the visit. Different kinds of candles, candle holders, frames, pictures, mirrors, vases and bowls, clocks, home fragrance, notice boards, carpets. They have tried to cater different needs of variety of people who will come to visit. There is something or the other for everyone's needs. Some of the items we bought in the shop are storage clips, tiffin box, scissors, pots and plant, sketch pens and stamp pens, placemat, utensil brush, utensil holder, ice candy maker, artificial flower plant, stool in white which looks very good after assembling. Stuff we bought online are toy storage, which can be used to store and organize most of kids' toys. Let's see step by step how to assemble it. They give us 28 long screws to secure the furniture, 52 wooden pieces which will be used just to keep the planks in place till we fix long screws. There are 2 of this kind of long planks. Take one of them and fix 4 wooden pieces on the bigger holes like so. Now hold it up straight and fit it with short rectangular plank. Now place 2 small wooden planks on the sides after placing 1 wooden piece on each side. Now, to keep the structure tight, use 3 long screws on the right side. Now the structure is strong. Now repeat the same procedure by placing wooden pieces into 4 big holes and 2 wooden pieces on sides. Now find the plank which is slightly shorter than the long plank and fit it into all these 6 wooden pieces. Remember that this plank is slightly shorter, so no need to worry that it's not of the same length of the first plank. Now secure it with 3 long screws. Now that we are fixing the next level, same way fix 6 wooden pieces on the left side and fix 1 short rectangular plank and 2 short planks on the sides. Now secure it with 3 long screws on the right side. Next step is to find a plank shorter than previous one. And fix it in place with the help of 6 wooden pieces. Now secure it with 3 long screws on the left side. For the third level, you just have to repeat the same process. But before putting the short plank, you need to fix the bottom plank. You need to fix the bottom plank by first placing 4 wooden pieces in the bottom and 2 on the right side to keep it in place. Now secure it with 4 long screws. Now you need to secure these 2 long wooden planks on the bottom by placing 4 wooden pieces in the bottom and 2 on the sides just to keep them in places. Now attach the last piece of this furniture on the left side by first using 6 wooden pieces up and 4 on the bottom. Then secure that piece with 6 long screws. And lastly, 3 long screws on the other side, bottom. 24 box holders in place. While fixing the box holders, be mindful of not fixing it the wrong way and use rest of 24 short screws in the center of these holders and secure them.